Now we will study about the next group of animals, that is birds. We all have seen birds around us. Birds are the only animals with feathers on their bodies. You have seen the birds, their body is full of feathers. There are some main features of birds. Birds reproduce by laying eggs and hatching them. Some of you might have seen the eggs of birds. So, birds reproduce by laying eggs and hatching them. And birds have beaks, they don't have teeth, they have beaks instead of teeth. Birds have wings and can fly. This also we know that birds fly and they have wings. The birds that can fly have skeletons with hollow bones. See, birds can fly only because their body is lightweight, and their body is lightweight because their skeletons are full of hollow bones. Their bones are hollow from inside. So these are the main features of birds. Now let us see this get it right column. Bats are generally mistaken as birds. We all have seen bats. You might be knowing about bats. They are generally mistaken as birds. But bats are not birds. They are actually mammals. Bats are actually mammals. The wings of bat do not have feathers. The wings which we think they are wings, they are not wings. They are the layers of skin stretched over the bat's arms and fingers. So bats are generally mammals. They are not birds. Now we will study about the next group of animals, that is reptiles. Reptiles have hard tough scales or shells that cover their bodies. Now here are some examples of reptiles given: turtle, alligator, tortoise, snake, lizard and crocodile. All these animals are called, these are the group of reptiles. You can see all these animals, when they move, their full body is in touch with the surface. Okay, so these are the examples of reptiles. And reptiles reproduce by laying eggs. All reptiles lay eggs. Now we'll study about turtles and tortoises. Turtles and tortoises move very slowly on land. We all know that they move very slowly on land, but they can swim well in water. They have hard shells covering their bodies. Tortoise live on land. They have round and stumpy feet. Let us see tortoise. Tortoise, they live on land and they have round and stumpy feet. Turtles live in water. They have webbed feet. So turtles, they survive only in water. They come on land, but they live inside the water and they have webbed feet. Okay, they have round feet. They live in most of the time in land, and they live in water. They have webbed feet. Now we will study about alligators and crocodiles. They have tough and scaly skin. They have 4 short legs and a powerful tail. Their looks is almost same. They are carnivores. Okay, alligators are mostly found in fresh waters, while crocodiles are found in sea water. Here you can see the picture, alligator and crocodile. Alligators, they are found in fresh waters, they are found in sea water. And crocodiles are found all over the world. You can see crocodiles anywhere, in any river or any sea. But alligators, they are found only in USA and China. They are not found all around the world. Now let us see about the snakes. Snakes are reptiles without legs. Here you can see all reptiles have legs. Only the snake does not have legs. So snake uses scales on the underside of its skin to move. Snakes smell with their tongue. Their tongue has smelling properties, so they smell with their tongue. They have flexible jaws and allow them to eat prey bigger than their heads. Their jaw is so flexible that they can eat the animals which are bigger than them. Okay, and snakes are carnivores. Now again a fact file: the body temperature of reptiles changes according to the temperature outside. When it is hot outside, they need to find shade and cool down. So when they come outside in the hot temperature, they go to the shady and cool place and they stay there. When it is cold, they go to the warm place to survive.